Are you wondering what to do if your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max is not properly charging? For example, if you try to insert your cable, again, it doesn't charge, or maybe it's charging very slowly, or the cable can't be even fully inserted, or maybe it's incredibly loose and it disconnects often. So the most common issue why this happens is you simply have something stuck inside your charging port, essentially, so the Type-C. Maybe some lint from your pockets get deposited over here as you placed inside your pockets, maybe some dirt, debris from your pockets or whatever. And with time, basically, it even compresses down as you are basically inserting and removing your cable all the time. And eventually, so you might not even be able to charge your phone at all. So there is a very simple fix for this. So we are simply going to need a few basic tools such as blower, maybe like a toothbrush, and the smallest tiny sewing needle that you can get. So again, incredibly small tiny sewing needle is needed. So if you have only large, maybe get the smallest you can, essentially, because compared to, for example, the past iPhones, for example, on the iPhone 14 or 13, basically we had the lightning port, which was incredibly large, and we could even clean this with a toothpick. So again, it's quite large, but again, so this is quite small. Let me also show you perhaps how it actually looks. So, and how we are going to clean it. For example, this is your port here. In the middle, you have your connecting strip, and it has a bunch of these tiny like pins that basically do the data transfer, also charging basically connection. So we are going to take our absolutely tiny needle here, insert in this charging port, and while keeping at the edge here, we are basically going to scoop along it, and in the scooping motion try to fish out all the junk that might be coming out of it. And again, on the other side as well. Again, we do not want to touch this middle strip. So let me show you how to do that on the phone. Also, make sure your phone is turned off before you actually do it. So let me turn on the light. Let me take the needle. Okay, and also obviously make sure you hold your phone like this so all the junk basically falls out. For this video, yeah, I'm just going to show like this. So you see, I'm inserting my needle inside here along the edge and scooping out anything that can't come out. So again, this is clean port over here, do not have problems. But yeah, if yours is, you will instantly see a bunch of junk coming out here. Okay, so basically, yep. Also, you can even maybe take like a tiny flashlight and shine inside and see what's actually up. For example, this is a complete clean port here, so this is what it should look like. So after you finish with the needle, again, take maybe a blower or any other way how to blow inside and simply blow out all the junk that you just managed to dislocate with a needle. Okay, and also, for example, you can even take like a toothbrush as well and brush it properly out. So this also can dislodge all the junk from it. Again, follow up with a blower properly. So when it comes to the best tool, really, that's a needle. So you can probably get away without even having toothbrush or that. We can probably do it always a needle if you're careful enough and patient. So again, insert inside, scoop all the way in, and remove all the junk. Also, yep. Also, obviously, check the quality of your cable as well after you are done with this. For example, you see on these cables, on these new ones, see you have tiny gap here. Obviously, some dirt can also get stuck here. So visually inspect if maybe there's something stuck, maybe over here. So that means you can either maybe try to remove whatever it is there, or simply maybe get another charger cable. Also, another good test is if your cable is okay and also the phone is okay, you can simply take your cable and insert in the phone, and you see it's actually able to hold it fairly well. So you see, it actually has quite a decent force here. It takes quite a lot of effort to remove it. Okay, good luck.